Hey everyone, I'm going to be walking you through our app Pitstop. So, if I visit our website, I'm immediately prompted to connect my MetaMask wallet. So, let's click on that and sign in using our wallet. So, let's check out each feature one by one. So, first, let's go to our garage. Over here, you can see that I don't have any cars in my garage yet. Here is some basic info about my account. This is a username that was generated for me. This is my wallet address. And you can see I have total point 0 since I don't have any cars yet. We'll get to that in a bit. And I can also see a rank which shows number 2 right now. So let's get started. Let's mint some cars for my garage. So if I go to the mint page over here, I can choose any of the liveries, any of the F1 liveries. So let's go with Ferrari. So if I click on mint over here, the smart contract is executed and I can mint a token over here. So once I click on confirm, an NFT has been minted on the Polygon blockchain with my wallet address, and after it's done, I'll be successfully redirected to my garage page. Okay, so you can see my NFT was minted with a token ID number that was generated via the smart contract. So if I click on it, I can see it in detail. This is Ferrari number 9 and it currently has 0 points because I haven't wagered it on any race yet. So before we get into the race and the marketplace aspect of it, let's actually mint a few more NFTs. So the McLaren showed up in my garage, and let's mint one last NFT. So the Red Bull showed up in my garage as well. So I have 3 cars in my garage right now, and each of these NFTs have 0 points right now because I haven't wagered them on any race yet. I can sell any of these by entering a selling price over here and clicking on the sell button, but we'll do that later. So now let's go racing. If I go to the race page, here I can see the details of the upcoming race, which is the Australian GP. It begins in 6 days, and I can support any of the drivers from the race by backing them with one of my NFTs. So say I wanted to back Max Verstappen. So if I click on the support button over here, I have to choose the NFT which I want to back, and I'm gonna go with the McLaren number 10. So once I click on this, it shows me that I have successfully backed Max Verstappen with my McLaren number 10 for the Australian GP. Now realistically, this claim button would show up here after the race has been completed, but for the sake of demoing and testing it out, I'm gonna click on the claim button, which will execute the results based on the previous race, which was the Saudi Arabian GP, which happened last weekend. So now if I click on claim over here, the smart contract function is executed and I have to pay some gas fees, and once I confirm the transaction, I'm redirected to my garage page, and here you can see that my points have been increased by 25. This is because Max Verstappen came first place in the Saudi Arabian GP, which happened last week, and that's why I scored 25 points for backing him with my NFT. So over here you can see the race history, and now if I visit the McLaren number 10 page, over here you can see that the metadata has been updated and the points attribute has increased from 0 to 25, and also on the leaderboard my total points have been increased to 25. Still rank number 2, so we have a lot more to go. So let's race again, and this time I'm gonna be backing Lando Norris with my Red Bull number 11. So let's do that, and again realistically this would happen once per race, but for testing purposes we can do this again and again. So let's claim again. Let's confirm the transaction, and you can see I earned 6 points for backing Lando Norris because of his position in the Saudi Arabian GP, and my total points have increased from 25 to 31, and also on the leaderboard. And visit the Red Bull which I backed, and voila, there we go. the points attribute has increased from 0 to 6 on the Red Bull number 11. So that's how you back races on our platform and earn point based rewards based on the results of the race. Let's sell one of these. So for example, if I wanted to sell my Red Bull number 11, I would enter a selling price over here. Let's go with 0.02 Matic right now and click on sell. What this will do is list it on the marketplace, which is there on our platform, and it will be up for grabs by any of the other users. So if I click on confirm now, it will ask me to confirm another transaction, which is the create market item, and this is the listing fee that I have to pay. So once I confirm this transaction, and you'll be able to see that my car has moved from my garage to the on sale section, and here it is. So if I click on this, I can see that it's up for sale right now for a price of 0.02 Matic. I can also go to the marketplace and see my car being listed over here. So these are a few cars I listed with my other accounts, but here's the one we listed right now. So this is the Red Bull number 11 with a points attribute of 6, and it is for 0.02 Matic. Again, I can click on buy now over here, but I can't really buy it right now because I am the seller of this NFT. So that's how you list an NFT for sale on Pitstop. Now let's do another thing. Let's actually buy an NFT from another user. So these are the NFTs available in the marketplace. So for example, I wanted to buy this Ferrari number 3. So if I click on buy now, I'll be able to see the seller or the creator of this NFT, the price, and the points. So this NFT has a points attribute of 19. So if I go to the leaderboard before buying it, you'll be able to see that I have 31 points right now, and the seller account has 66 points. So if I buy this NFT now, let's click on buy. This will execute a market sale on the contract, and if I click on confirm now, I'll be redirected to my garage after the sale has been executed. Okay, so you can see that the Ferrari number 9, I'm sorry, that was mine. The Ferrari number 3, which I just purchased, is showing up in my garage, and it shows me that I bought it for 0.001 Matic, and this was 19 points, as we know. And you can see that my total points have been increased from 31 to 50, thus giving me these 19 points which I just purchased. If I go to the leaderboard now, you can see that I've been moved to rank 1 because the 19 points were deducted from the account which I sold that car from and were successfully transferred to my account. So I'm rank number 1 on the leaderboard. Let's go. One last thing I would like to mention over here is that I can also add a profile photo for my account. So this is the default photo which we see right now. So if I click on edit profile photo and choose say this one, I'll give it a moment, and it was successfully updated as my profile picture. So I showed you how to mint NFTs on Pitstop, how to back racers with your NFTs, and also how to buy and sell items on the marketplace. And this is the leaderboard which is updated on every transaction and event that happens on the app. And that was Pitstop. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.